Today on Hammer and Nails, I'm going to be cleaning up my atrocious backyard. The fit check today is a far too tight tank top and my boots and a hat. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to be working on the pool, and then when we're done, I'm going to go ahead and smoke some pork chops. Hope y'all like it. So I know earlier that I said pork chops, but I'm going to do street tacos instead, because who doesn't like tacos? So this is carne picada. I know it's traditionally supposed to be skirt steak, but we're going with what we have versus going and buying everything. So it's a little bit of carne picada, got it seasoned with some cumin, some paprika, some chili powder, some goya with white pepper, onion, garlic, all the blah, blah, blah. We got onion here. I also have some cilantro leaves that I'm gonna rehydrate there, and corn tortillas. I actually have my griddle in the smoker. First off, the yard is substantially better. The pool, I did say I was going to work on it. I did. I got the filter hooked up and 6 gallons of chlorine in. It's a little cloudy, but hey, you know what? I just opened it. Well, that's that. Okay, here we go with our street taco. Almost forgot the lime. Let's taste this one. It's amazing how much lime elevates it. Holy cow. Anyway. Oh my God, that's so good. Also gonna wash it down with some All-American Miller Lite. And if you don't like it, I don't care, because I do. And thanks for stopping by here, where everything I do is made with blood, sweat, and beers. See ya.